Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another interesting haul. Before I start showing you all the products, it's raining, it's gloomy, and I'm in no mood to wash off this makeup and not film this haul. So we will still roll in and I will still show you all the products I have grabbed so far. So let's get started without wasting any more time, and I will be leaving down everything in my description if I happen to forget to mention on the screen. So let's get started. Now the first product which I happen to grab is the Calabar Water Bomb Magic Water Primer. I've done a full review on this product already on my channel and I have constantly been using this product. Now yes, I have no words to describe this product. It is such an amazing product. And yes, I forgot to mention one thing in my review was that it is very close to your Too Faced replenishing skin replenishing primer. Very close product. It's very close. Even the texture, even the feel of it, it's very close to they're very close to each other. So if you cannot buy that, you can definitely put in your money here. I will leave the discount code in the description if you want to grab any products from Calabar from their website. But yes, this is an amazing buy. I have been using this primer constantly, and for that matter today also I'm wearing this primer and I'm really enjoying my makeup. For some reason nowadays, whatever products I have grabbed, I'm so excited about every product I have bought because I'm really happy what brands have done and what brands have been doing. Moving on to another exciting launch, and a launch which really killed it again for me, and I'm obsessed with this brand in general, Kay Beauty. Now you may notice a little bit of light fluctuation just because it is gloomy. So suddenly I'm brighter, suddenly I just go a little dark as I see it on the screen. I will come to know when I am editing, but as much as I see now, I am looking much brighter. I don't know why. So yes, I went ahead and bought the Kay Beauty Illuminating Highlighters in 2 shades, and I am eyeing the third one. I have done a full review on these products, and currently I'm wearing one of the highlighters, Champagne Fizz, and I am obsessing over these. So this is how both the highlighters will come, and I really like the finish of the highlighters. Oh my god. She has killed it. Katrina knows the makeup game. Hands down. I have not seen a person dedicated so much into her brand and knowing everything so well. Even if you see their campaigns, it really looks so promising that you will actually buy the product and you will actually know the product, because there are a lot of celebrities who do come out with their makeup line but you hardly see with their own makeup. But she, in general, she knows the makeup game too. She knows it really well. When I bought those 2 highlighters, I did get a free lip topper. Now this is a product which was not into my Kay Beauty collection, or I would say so many products I have bought, almost everything leaving the lip topper and the brow pencil. I got this one and I'm really happy because I have heard such nasty things about it, but some of the people really like it also. So I was like, ek baar khareed lo. Let's see what happens. I don't know. Since it's a free product, and I mentioned in my review also that जब भी आप Kay Beauty का कोई भी new launch product खरीदो तो avoid buying on the launch date. Buy it on another day so that you can get a free full size product. वहाँ पे आप ज़्यादा पैसे बचाते हो. Because यहाँ पे आप merely not even 200 rupees you will save, और आपको एक फुल साइज प्रोडक्ट मिलता है अगर आप किसी और दिन खरीदेंगे जहाँ की वो प्रोडक्ट आपको 699, 599 या 799 का होगा. So why to buy on the launch date, instead buy on any other day. Now I went ahead and bought another Too Faced product from the store itself. Is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Complexion Powder. This is in the shade Natural Beige. This powder will cost you 2,600, and then you open the powder and you get this stunning pressed powder. The only crunch factor with the powder is that it's not the 10 or 10 powder for me, because I do have to go in with another powder of mine. You will know everything in my review. Stay tuned or wait for the review, it's coming soon. But yes, I did buy this powder from the store and I did get a primer. The next product which I bought is by Myntra, and from Myntra I picked up these 3 products from Maybelline to gift someone. So this is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara and the Colossal Kajal, and I bought the eyeliner separately. Now I have a helper who works with me. I bought these three things for her daughter because she knows that I'm into makeup, and one day she just asked her mother, like, if you can ask auntie to give me the expired makeup. So I was like, why would I give her an expired makeup? I have a lot of makeup and I keep decluttering and giving it to many of my friends, so I will give her few. But in general, if I have to give her these three, I cannot give her used ones because it is not hygienic. Even if I sanitize it, it is not something which I would like to. So I thought I will add these three new, and yes, I did order a face powder also for her because that also I don't want to give her the used one. But yes, these three things I got for her because she is like a school going girl. She doesn't do makeup. She is just interested in keeping some makeup with her. So I was like, Maybelline is a good brand, pocket friendly, and she will enjoy it. Now we are down to the last few products. Now I did went ahead and finally bought some new brushes from Focallure. Now you have been asking me, why don't you try Focallure brushes, Focallure brushes? I heard you guys, I heard you. Now they have two variants, wherein in this variant, I don't know how many brushes I got. Okay, I got 6 brushes and this costed me 1000 rupees on Amazon. You can get these kind of brushes on various Instagram sites, but I would highly suggest you to check out Cuffs and Lashes because I was technically about to buy the 10-piece brush set, but I didn't buy because I was looking forward for more of eye brushes, and that set has a fan brush which I don't use, so it will be utter waste. And that set would have costed me 1360 if I would have bought from Cuffs and Lashes. So check out her page. She's again same Nidhi Katiyar, the page handler, the owner of Cuffs and Lashes. So check out her page. You will get amazing stuff and amazing offers. So these ones I apparently got from Amazon. I did check on Amazon and I got them. And frankly speaking, look of it, they look really luxurious brushes and they look high quality, they feel high quality. But what I was thinking, I will do one video where I do use all of these brushes. So we'll do one day Focallure brush testing video where I will show you all the brushes in action. And apart from those Focallure brushes, I did went ahead and bought this the drugstore company Miracle Sponge, which Malvika Satlani has, like I don't know how many she has, and she happens to use only these ones. So I do check out her stories. So she happens to show these a lot. Like she has like a one drawer full of these sponges only, and she's scared if they will be out of stock someday. So yes, I got these. It's very stiff. I have not used it. Let me use it and I'll let you know. This is not inexpensive. It is 550 rupees. But if I compare it with many high-end brands or normal brands, then I feel still 550 is a good pricing. But let me use it. Then only 550 or 1000. No, it doesn't matter. It should work good. Now, if you're following me on Instagram, you know that Pack Cosmetic had an amazing offer for 3 days where they had everything on flat 20% off. So yes, I did mention some of my favorite products to you guys also, and I said that this is the right time you grab it. So I hope aapne meri baat suni and you grabbed your favorite products. I also went ahead and bought 3 products and I wanted to get one more. The only factor which happened with me that day was I thought, okay, I'll order it, and मैं सो गई, and next day when I got up, obviously the sale was over. So yeah, I will wait for another offer. So I went ahead and bought 3 products. Now first one is their, what do you call them? Creamy texture, lightweight, long wearing formula, natural looking coverage concealer. The Takeover Concealer. Now this is how it comes. Now I have not used it, not even swatched it for that matter. And pack shade search karna is a task. So it looks somewhat like this. I feel it's going to be a good match. Let's put it to test one day. So yes, I did get this and I am planning to buy their primers soon. And next up is a pure repurchase, and I wanted to get this one because mine is over and I was not planning to buy this one, but since there was 20% off and I could save a lot of money here, then why not? So भूल जाओ वो सारी बातें और ले लो इस प्रोडक्ट को. तो I just got this one. This is a PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. This will cost you 925 rupees MRP, but I got it for 760 rupees. So yes, I did save a lot of money here. So yes, I got this one. And next up, please don't laugh at me and please don't say kitni, how many will she buy, is the PAC I-Series brushes. Yes, I finally got the PAC brushes, and I did conducted a poll on Instagram. I asked you guys that which brand brushes I should try, and most of you were like, try PAC brushes. Now I was about to buy the PAC what do you say, quintessential brush set. I think it's called as quintessential, or I will just put a picture on the screen, where you get 25 brushes for 7,995. that is technically 8,000. Now जब मैंने वो ब्रश सेट देखा तो I was all up for it. The only reason I didn't buy it because recently, if you remember, I showed you a new brush set of BH Cosmetic which I bought, which has face brushes. Focallure has 2 face brushes, and I have bought a few face brushes from Miniso. So I have a lot of face brushes, and I have to declutter a lot of my eye brushes. So that is why I stopped there, and I thought, let me not buy the whole set, let me just buy the eye brushes. So that is why I went ahead and bought these eye brushes. They come into a nice pouch like this. This cost, MRP is 2,900 something. But I paid 2,600, 2,300 I guess. Yeah, I paid 2,300. I don't remember. 20% off. Okay. Now, and then it will come into a pouch like this. This I was not expecting, but yes, you. And then you get these stunning 8 brushes. Yes, you get 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brushes you get. So yes, I was really happy because approximately 3,000 के brushes थे, but मुझे बहुत कम पैसे देने पड़े. So I just paid like 2,300 for this brush set. So yes, they look really promising. And additionally, मैंने एक separate single brush खरीदा, which is more of a highlighter brush, and I wanted a good highlighter brush. Currently, I am using only one brush as a highlighter brush, and I'm really obsessed with that one. But I wanted something very close to that one, so I went ahead with the brush number 131. Again, it looks really good. I've not used it. So this brush itself will cost you 525 or 50 rupees. ये और वो set मिला के I paid 2,700. So I did save a lot of money, and I could grab some good quality brushes. I will leave down everything in my description if you want to grab anything for yourself, and all the coupon codes will also be mentioned in my description if you want to avail any extra discount on your purchase. But so far, I have really enjoyed showing you everything I grabbed, and yes, I have already been using most of the products. So yes, you will be seeing some of the reviews in future, and some of the reviews are already done on my channel. Those will also be mentioned in my description, or else just jump onto my channel and you will know every review on every random product I've used so far. I hope you loved watching this one. I will be seeing you in my next video. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @BranzingGeek. It really means a lot when you subscribe and leave a comment and let me know how did you feel about the haul, review, or any video I post. Yes, do leave a comment. It really makes my day, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, you take care and bye bye.